Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! Today I'm excited to be sharing with you an amazing, extremely motivational video there where I'm talking about happiness being heavenly. It is an amazing decision there to choose to be happy, and everyone has the power to be able to choose happiness, and if you can choose to be happy there, it can improve your outcomes in any situations, improve your relationships with your friends and your family and even your coworkers there, just because of having a different mindset there can completely change any situation from being mundane to marvelous. It's amazing there that just simply having a different mindset there can cause that much change in a situation. And why wouldn't someone choose to be happy if they have the power to do so? I mean, it can make a situation completely different there by just simply having an optimistic outlook on what the situation is there, that if you choose to be happy there, that you can then overcome any difficulty or any circumstance there by just having a better outlook there, that you instill the confidence and the willpower in yourself there, that you can accomplish something by just being happy about it there, by not dreading on things, by not being negative, by not looking at things in a pessimistic mindset there, because it's amazing there that by just having a different mindset there you can completely change a situation. I hope there that everyone here will also choose happiness over negativity or pessimism, because it's awesome to be happy that it completely changes the way people see the world and the way that people interact with one another and the way people look at situations. I really hope that this video here speaks to everyone there and can help everyone out there when it comes to having a more marvelous mindset there when dealing with the world and the people in it. I am absolutely amazed there at how quick their changes can happen in this world there by simply just looking at things from a different perspective. I really hope that this video here has inspired someone there, and I would love to see in the comments below there you guys mentioning how having a happy and optimistic outlook there has really changed a situation for you, because it's absolutely amazing there to see how one simple change there can create a huge effect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I would love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye subbies!